Moment of Truth. Dito na tayo sa Ireland. Alas 2 ng umaga sa Pilipinas. Pero dito ay alas 5 na ng hapon. So, nasa baggage na ako. Pinakalusot naman ako. At welcome naman ako dito. So, antayin na natin yung bagahin natin. Okay guys! Ito na! Moment of Truth! Ireland! Pero tinan mo yung maleta ko.
Touchdown dito, touchdown!
Winning! Touchdown na, touchdown!
Touchdown!
Time check, 7... Anong oras na? Liwanag pa.
7
Grabe, ang liwanag pa dito.
Yeah.
Umaga ba o gabi na?
gabi.
Grabe.
Alas 10 pa umaga dito.
Hanggang alas 10 pa ang araw. Haba ng araw dito.
Pero pagdating ng winter, alas
Madali na.
alas 5, wala na
Ang
araw.
tangkad na ni Aaron, guys. Tangkad pa siya sa akin. Saka hindi na siya mukha siyang Koreano. Hindi siya mukhang taga-Ireland, mukha siyang taga-Korea.
Race change ako.
Chat kasi mami niyo eh. Sa work pa siya? Ano kayo nag-trend? Or bus? Grabe oh. Hi! Trend o bus?
No, mag-taxi tayo.
Ay wow, shala. Pangmayaman yun eh. Naglugaw nga lang kami sa airport eh. Titipid lang kami. Tapos yung lugaw mo, 1,000 yung binayad ko, sukli ko 150 na lang.
What?
Sa mahal ng lugaw.
Ikaw!
Oo.
Bente lang
Pero
yun sa
ano naman yun, dalawang lugaw, dalawang siopaw.
Ang mahal pa rin.
Mahal pa rin nga. Paano lang ang siopaw? Sa airport, napakamahal. 350 yata yung isang lugaw. Taxi tayo? Sige, maglakad na lang tayo.
Dito lakad tayo. Okay.
Hindi, biro lang. Tayo. So, ito na yung mga tour guide ko. Naliligaw na rin kami. Car rental. Pwede doon taxi tayo sa baba. Excite naman dito. Naliligaw ang mga people. Yan talaga pag first time. Naliligaw ang first time.
Pasensya na ang tour guide.
Pero maliit lang yung airport nila, no?
Late lang.
Unlike sa Hong Kong, grabe.
Malaki talaga.
Sobra. Magte-trend ka pa. Oo nga. Pansin ko kagad yun. Ay, bongga, ang Abu Dhabi. Tapos naglalakad ako, naka-flower maleta ako. Lakad ako dun, no? Palaki dyan! Turista ako! Naka-summer ano pa ako, summer get out. Kaya nga, winter na taglamig na eh. Wow. Bahala kayo dyan.
Kamusta dito?
Ito, mabuti naman. Exciting!
Excited! Okay.
Exciting! Yan ako nakatulog ng maayos sa aeroplano.
Kumain ka dito.
Sa aeroplano.
Ang sarap.
Sakto lang. Ayos lang. Gutom lang ako. May siopaw pa nga ako, hindi ko na nakain. Grabe yung amoy. Ang bango. Ang bango ng amoy. Kasi wala, part talaga yun. Expected ko naman na yun.
Check ko taxi.
Ganyan may...
So yung mga tour guide ko, hindi lalo sa kami sasakay.
Hindi ko pala tayo. Ako, wala pala sa mag-set dito. Ligaw ka tayo.
Sige ba?
Ligaw tayo.
Gusto ko yan.
Sige, talagin sa ticket. Sige,
Kuha lang pa din yun. Sa walang layan.
sa atin tinatawag ilin mo.
Ako, pilik card ko. Baka naman.
Pag niligaw ako, tatawag ako ng polis. Hindi ko niligaw ako ng pamangking ko.
Pag may emergency. 500.
Ano na?
500.
Talaga? Tanong ka lang, may bayad na?
Kapag ano lang, kapag like 16 na lang.
Ay, ganun.
Kapag ka-call ka ng
911.
emergency hotline. Ang mas
Ayan, no? Do not cross. Oh, do not cross. Pagdating, maglalabag agad sa ano. Lalabag agad tayo. Mas malaki talaga airport na Abu Dhabi. Tapos nire-repair yung kanilang airport. Pero malamig in fairness. Yung mga tour guide ko. Malamig. Sakto lang. Lamig ng Tagaytay ganun. Mga Tagaytay pills. So, malamig siya. Seryoso? Hit na to Basic. Pa-winter na, ano na, summer, ano na, tayo. Pero pag umaga, mas mainit. Grabe. Nag-adapt na yung katawan ni Aaron dito sa klima. Kaya nga, naka-t-shirt ka nga lang T-shirt lang, relax lang. Ayun, pre-book taxi. Ang masama ng mga pulis nila. Ang ganda ng suot. Ang ganda ng mobile. Ano? Yun, yung mga pulis. Paano ko ba mararamdaman yun? Hindi ko pa alam
Manilo, ganun. Kasi, pupunta tayo city bukas, gala na tayo agad.
Gusto mo ngayon tayo matulog.
Sarada na mga.
Ay, gano'n. Sarado na kahit may araw pa. Wow. It's nice. Look guys, I'm in the Europe. Nice kayo. Nice kayo sa kuya nyo. Hello Europe, Ireland. Nakikita ko lang sa sa mapa.
Guys, all good?
Yeah.
Yep.
First time in Ireland or coming back?
First time.
First time. Welcome to Ireland.
Yeah, thank you so much.
You can sit in, guys. Somebody can sit in the front if you want a bit more space.
Okay.
On that side, yeah.
Sino? Ikaw na?
Ako sa bitana.
Dito na ako.
Saan? Ako sa harap.
Ako dun sana ako sasakay sa kabila. Dito sana ako uupo, nalimutan ko. Driver.
All good?
Thank you Lord. Sige po, okay. Yeah, dito na lang siguro. Huwag naman yan. Ano ko. Wow.
How are you guys? All good, yeah?
Oh, good.
How are you doing?
Good. Where are you guys from?
They're visiting.
Good. You picked a fantastic week to come, the weather.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Best week we've had in a long time.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be sunny all week.
Yeah. Okay, I think we're going to Cabra, is that right?
Yep.
Yeah, no problem.
Nice. You're born from here, sir?
Yes, I was born in Dublin.
Oh.
I lived here for 30 years and now I live in County Carr. So it's one hour from Dublin.
Uh-huh.
How's it in Carlo?
Nakakapanibago. Yung driver ko puti.
You traveled some of the country?
Yeah, I've been in Galway.
Yes. Are you going?
A bit hot, I think.
You're a bit hot. We'll turn that air con up a little bit for you. Should cool down now in a minute for you.
Ang galing ng bus nila parang train. At the buses look like train and like a tram kind of.
This one?
Yeah.
This just.
I'll get you.
One thing that I want to see, kind of castle and crusader things, kind of.
Oh, you'll see.
I heard
you'll,
that,
you'll see lots.
yeah.
How long are you here for?
2 months and a week.
Oh, you'll see the whole country.
Yeah, hopefully.
And so he can't just make a decision on his own. It has to be agreed. And even when it's agreed, then he must go to the president and say, "Can you just put a stamp?" And that's the president. He's ceremonial. The Lewis and with the buses in the city is very, very good for transport. 20 years ago when I lived and worked in the city, it wasn't so good getting in and out.
Oh.
Yeah, it's just the buses.
Ganda ng mga so beautiful houses here. It's a very different architectural.
Yes.
It's like an old kind of.
Georgian kind of style in the UK, yeah. So we've got out of the city, we've kind of got both. You've got the old ones, and in here they're going to build new apartments and probably tall towers.
Let's make in here.
Yeah,
Seeing
good.
this house. How about the delicacies here in Ireland? You're more on meat kind of food.
The food is it's a big industry in Ireland. A lot of fresh food. The quality is very good in comparison to even England. And beef and salmon. Salmon fish.
Whoa.
Yeah, the quality is fantastic.
The pub. Yeah.
I don't go often enough, but it's a beautiful with a lovely cold creamy pint all over the country.
That's a lot.
When I lived in Dublin, I used to go to it's not there anymore, the Swiss Cottage, or which is close to the airport in Santry. So it was a good pub, but it wouldn't be fantastic pub. In the city centre, you've got some fantastic pubs off near Grafton Street.
Yeah.
Anywhere near Grafton Street, the pub Temple Bar is good, but it's very expensive. It's for tourists.
Yeah.
So if you go there.
We are more on a seashore kind of people.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so we have a lot of ponds. We're
Just beside the graveyard, one of the entrances to the graveyard on the other side, I think, and it is a thick old Irish pub. So you should go in there and have a look, just to see what an old country pub looks like. It's very nice. I think it's called the Undertaker.
itinerary, guys. I want to see the old kind of settings.
Yeah, you're around the country.
Yeah.
But you don't see too many of them in Dublin.
Mas talaga natural na mga buildings. Botanic. Sa Botanic.
Botanic House, yeah.
It's more on garden kind of?
No, this is just a pub.
Ah, it's a pub.
Yeah.
Mga ano nila dito, parang mga restaurant. Pero
Oh. So they're more on like a restaurant kind of pub
You get
kind of-
restaurants as well, and you'll get Mexican restaurants, Thai restaurants. You get a good mix in the city centre.
There's so
But
it's very diverse.
the best traditional food in the countryside is always going to be the pubs.
Oh. Wow.
Oh, have you guys watched the Gaelic games?
No.
Colour everywhere. It's a
Anong meron?
a very big deal.
Parang anong laro siya?
soccer yun na.
Ah, it's like a football kind of.
It's supposed to be not violent.
Major sports nila yun.
Oh, major sports here in the Ireland. I thought it's football or soccer.
Yeah, soccer is the most supported in the country. But Gaelic is our own. At the moment, the World Gaelic Games are on, so there's teams from Africa and everywhere who play.
Ano to mga houses? It's kind of a houses here or bayan?
Yeah.
Ganyan ang bahay nyo? Ano? Aaron?
Most likely ano yun, rental.
Ah, this one is a rental kind of house. Parang ang saya rito, no? Ang community nila. Oh, ako lang yung masaya. Feeling ko masaya.
Ngayon lang.
Kasi hindi sila ano, no? Kasi tabi-tabi sila eh.
Ganyan lang ako.
Just imagining the people living in this kind of community, how fun and how lively there will be.
It's actually quite quiet.
Would be, yeah.
Yeah.
and buy a house in the
Yeah.
country and,
Yeah.
and make the rent here. It's the rent is just so big in Dublin. So it's people. We have a lot of Philippines in the medical industry, nurses and that kind of thing. We have a lot of Spanish, a lot of Brazilians, French and Spanish as well. But you'll get every country. You'll meet people from every country in Ireland.
Dito na tayo. Ito bahay nila, bahay nyo. Yung very beautiful houses here.
You guys are on the left, yeah?
Yeah, that tree. And here.
Here?
Yep.
Yeah, no problem.
Thank you so much, Sir Desmond.
No problem. You're
Nice-
welcome.
Nice to meet you.
You're welcome.
This is our first day. Actually, second day na. Ito kami ngayon. Kasama ko ang aking ate. And si Jada Lu. So, second day na natin dito sa Ireland. Kasakay kami ng train. Ito niya yung train.
Thank you. Please take your ticket
So,
and your
single lang to?
receipt.
One single journey.
Single ako dito sa Europe. Single trip. So, saan magta-tap dyan? Ayan, doon. Ito, isushoot ko lang doon sa ano.
Hindi, hawakan mo lang. Hawak mo na yan. Souvenir mo na yan.
Seryoso?
Hindi kasi...
May ipunan pala tayo nito.
May nag-check sa train.
Time check natin ay 1:20. Weather today is maaraw. 20 degree daw. Ano yung 9 minutes yung tren? Saan tayo? You are here. Tayo pupunta. Tayo ng... So, meron silang isa, dalawa. Ano yung tren? Naririnig ko na yung tren, ha? Ano yung naantay ko? Naantay namin na tren kasi hindi ko na videoan yung papunta. Kulit din yun. Bye train! Bye!